Hello friends! Roxy the Kiwi and me have a new activity for you. You just need the sunlight and a piece of paper, a white one. While we wait for the sun to come again, we are just going to see some of the characteristics of kiwis. You will probably know that kiwis sleep during the day and go to find their food during night time. They have very small nostrils here in the beak, and this is how they can recognize all the worms and things that they eat under the ground. If you ever go to any place where kiwis are present around the area, you should go at night time, but never take a bright torch with you. Just use a red light so they won't feel scared. And yes, be quiet and try to listen carefully, because you might hear something like that. Now that the sun is here, we just need to try to paint the shadow. It's okay, Roxy, it's okay. We are just going to paint her shadow on the piece of paper. As you can see, this is a very cool activity that you can do with any kind of shape. You can also call your brother, your sister, and ask them to just to face like that, to draw the shape. Isn't it cool? I'm looking forward to seeing your creations. Kakite!